Hi, and welcome to Computer Repairs with Rob. Today I want to show you an issue that I ran into while trying to load Windows 7 on this Lenovo Tiny computer. It's the Lenovo ThinkCentre Tiny, and I wanted to load Windows 7, so I put in my USB boot disk and I came to this screen, and you'll see I have mouse control, which is going to be the issue soon. So I select the only option for that one, which is Kingston Data Traveler. So highlight it, hit enter, and wait for the screen to load, which is loading now. And what's going to happen is I'm going to lose mouse support, which is very interesting. So I hadn't run into that one before. So starting Windows, and this is the Windows 7 startup screen for installing. Okay, so right now I go to move my mouse and I can't select anything. My keyboard, I thought, well, no problem, I'll try the keyboard. No keyboard support. This little ThinkCentre only has USB ports, and they're not letting me work, although they did work, in the previous screen, and now at this screen they don't work. So what we have to do is we have to go into the BIOS and change a setting there, which I'll show you. So I have to do a force shutdown in order to get out of this screen, and then I'll boot it up into the BIOS. Okay, so now I'm into the screen that lets me get into the BIOS. Oh, it just disappeared on me. I have to try it again. All right, so I'm hitting enter to get into the BIOS, and here I am. And you can see it's a ThinkCentre M710Q. And just to show you for interest's sake, it's a Intel i7 7700. Anyways, we have to go to Devices and then USB Setup. And I look in USB Setup and I notice that everything is enabled except for these two things right here. So USB Virtual KBC support, and you'll notice in the message on the right it says select whether to enable or disable the USB Virtual KBC function. If set to enable, you'll provide limited support for USB keyboards and mice in the OS environment that doesn't have the XHCI driver. Anyways, let's enable that. So enable and save and exit, F10, and see what happens. Starting the reboot process, I'm hitting F12 to get the boot menu. And here it is. I'm going to select the same thing again. Kingston Data Traveler, a legacy. It sees it as legacy. Windows 10 gives you the two options, legacy or UEFI. So loading files. Computer's pretty quick, actually. It's a nice little computer for its size. Essentially a laptop in a computer case, without the screen, of course. All right, so you see now we have mouse. There's the mouse icon. It wasn't even there before. The mouse pointer wasn't even on the screen. So now I can select, whatever I want and go ahead and proceed with loading Windows. All right, hope that helps you out. Have a great day.